Hey everyone, so my wife was playing on Amazon again, and she's always wanted it, and she found it at a good price. It's a 21 mode dual head shower head that comes with a built-in filtration system. We opened the box up. I took a look. It looks like a pretty easy job. I'll tell you right off the bat what I like is it comes with all the tools you need to do the install. That's it right there. This wrench. Things are pretty simple and self-explanatory. So I'm gonna throw it up there, and let's see what we get. I've already wrapped my shower pipe, my main pipe, with Teflon tape. Make sure your thread is good. There you go, hand tight. And supplied wrench. Wrap my main head with Teflon tape, but red to red. Getting it nice and tight. Okay, you can see how adjustable that is. This would be the body hose. It comes, all the washers are pre-installed. I usually do like 3 or 4 times just to get a good seal. Connect your hose. Again, go hand tight. Make sure everything's all lined up. It sits right in the bracket, nice and tight. And again, this is adjustable too. You see it's got a flex pipe there. Got your bottom controller. You want your rain head. Go all the way up and you just got your rain head. You want both for that ultimate showering, massaging experience. And again, this one's, your bottom head's adjustable. You see all the different streams. It comes right off to wash all those tough places. Again, no leaks. Oh well, this is because I just turned it off. Adjustable. Wherever you like that. Like I said too, this also comes with a water filtration system in both heads. And it's easy to change the filter. Just unscrew the head. Here's your filter. Pops out. And you put the new filter in. We like the water filter only because it eliminates a lot of the chlorine and the hard metals and the microorganisms in the water. Until you come out of the shower, you feel cleaner. My wife and daughter, with the filtering system, they both notice their hair is a lot softer and smoother. I don't have much. Easy install. Whole thing took about 5 minutes. It looks nice. We just have to change out our gold pipe, and again, it's at a fraction of the cost of the big names. So I'd pick one up and check it out.